It rained pretty much all of last night, and this morning is beautiful. And we have decided to go find about a guy, and to get transported to, I think they're called the Telegang, or the rice paddies. Yeah, and they're about 45 minutes away from Ubud, where we're staying. And the problem is we organized to meet up with him. We would give him a call, but we've run out of airtime and we can't get hold of him, so we're just gonna go try to see if we can find him. And then
we really want this guy because he's got a beautiful orange car, so let's hope we can find him.
Let's see what we can do. Just got yourself a little flower.
Yeah.
Some local flavor.
Yes. Trying to look the part. Thank you.
So there's the message we sent him. He replied, just saying hello though. And our next message is clearly not delivered. Run out of airtime. So the quest continues. Okay, it seems our guy isn't around. He is either sleeping or something. So we need to find another taxi to help us out, and we need to negotiate again. It's all part of the hustle of travel.
Do this.
Yeah, let's go find a sign that says taxi. We'll find someone, there's loads. It's super busy this morning. This is like the market area. Lots happening. What are we doing? No, I'm sorted, thank you. Okay, we found a guy. Hopefully he'll take us to wherever we want to go. We'll see.
Here. Okay.
Okay, we can tell her.
Yeah, okay, I'll tell her now.
That's the van we got. A bit different to what we planned yesterday. We had an awesome orange VW. But hey, if it gets us there, it's all good. Okay, we were supposed to meet up with a friend this morning too, but she unfortunately is not answering. I think she's either out of Wi-Fi, out of reach. So now we have to go find her. Maybe she's just jet lagged. She traveled far away yesterday. But the adventure continues. Jeez, I thought we would be on the road by now.
Yeah, no.
I guess you can't plan these things.
Yeah, so when it's out of your control, you gotta go with it.
Yeah, we got in contact with our friend Des. I mean, we've been up since 6 this morning and
still no photos.
Still no photos. The sun is well up, but we'll look back fondly on these times, not fondly, who knows. We'll just look back on these times. And it's so loud. It's early morning traffic. This is what's happening.
Can you, yeah, okay. Okay, we'll see you now, bye. Okay.
So, what just happened?
So, our original orange car man, I got a hold of him somehow. Seems we can't send text, but we can make calls. So
well, from 8 o'clock we can make calls.
Maybe that's what it is.
So
yeah. So he's coming to fetch us. So we're getting the car.
We're going with the guy in the cool orange.
The cool orange car. Yeah. Yay.
Plot twist. That old man over there just offered us a massage. I'm not sure if he was kind of going to organize one for us or if he was going to do it
on us, maybe.
If he was going to do it himself. Well, I mean, he wouldn't be able to walk on us. He can hardly walk now.
Back and forth. Do the shimmy.
We found our friend. All we need now is our lift.
Yes, we're still waiting.
We're still waiting for our lift, but hopefully that should come soon. Who knows? Otherwise, we'll just organize another taxi. They have spotted something orange. Is this our car?
I think it's our guy.
Is this our guy?
Here he comes.
Are we lucky?
Here he comes.
Is this our guy? How cool is that car? Here we go. There we go, look at this guy. Eh? No, the music was good.
Music's good. Music's good. Oh, yes. Thank you for fetching us.
Finally made it to the rice terraces. Have a look at that.
Wow.
We have wanted to come here for a very long time, so we are glad we are here, and it's good light.
Beautiful light.
We come to see. We've seen pictures like that, unbelievable, during the rainy season. Well, it looks same like brown sugar, so it is the rainy season. Who knows?
Oh well, either way we're gonna get wet.
Just steps, so many steps, but I feel good. Still strong, still strong. I think I need a break. Something to keep in mind for the ladies.